do purl stitches using the picking or Continental style, you may like to first wrap the yarn around your little finger just to secure the tension, and then put the yarn over your first finger and hold the yarn to the front of your knitting. So you should have the needle with all the stitches in your left hand and the empty needle in your right hand. Begin by inserting the right hand needle down into the front of the first stitch on the left hand needle. Bring the yarn over and around the needle, the right hand needle, scoop that yarn through, and then slide the first stitch off the left hand needle. So keeping the yarn in the front, you go down through the top stitch, over the top of the needle and around, pull it through and slide it off. Down, around, pull it through the stitch and slide it off. And again, going over the top of the needle, through the stitch. And you can adjust the tension by moving your finger or moving your pinky a little bit to let the yarn flow freely through. So down, around the top and down, pull it through and off. It can be quite tempting to wrap the yarn the wrong way round, because somehow it sometimes seems easier to scoop the yarn that way, holding the finger to the back. But if you do that, you'll create a twisted stitch. So it's very important to remember that the yarn always goes over the top of the needle first, around and to the front, scoop it through and pull the stitch off. Down and to the front, around, scoop it through and off.